Sing the chorus, clap your hands.
Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me?
どうぞ。
Hello. Konnichiwa. We are going to sing and play together. Please enjoy.
それでは、Jamaican and Japanese でやります。最初に私が主我の愛すを聞かせていただきます。それから美しに深きをステイシーが English and Japanese で歌います。一緒にオカリナと歌います。その後、彼女がジャマイカの子供たちのためのクリスマスソングの曲を続けて歌います。そして最後に止めを落とします。
Jamaican songs. Sing the chorus, clap your hands. Beat the Congo, play the pan. Spread the news throughout the land that Jesus is born. Jesus, the Savior, is born. One more time. Sing the chorus, clap your hands. Beat the Congo, play the pan. Spread the news throughout the land that Jesus is born. Jesus, the Savior, is born. glory. Came to earth a baby born in a manger. But the world then did not know that was God on earth below, and treat the Son of God on earth like a stranger. Sing the chorus, clap your hands. Sing the Congo, play the band. Standing is true of the land that Jesus is born. Jesus the Savior is born. Jesus the Savior is born.
今イエス様、救い主イエス様がお生まれになりましたというお歌でしたね。
Let me tell you about the story of the Blessed Virgin Mary. She had a baby boy named Jesus, born of Bethlehem in Judea, on a straw that lay in a manger, and she rocked the baby to sleep. Cow and horse and donkey and sheep, see the pretty little boy sleep. Make no sound, no do not a thing, for they know that he is the King, King and Savior of the whole world. And she rocked the baby to sleep.
救い主である王なるイエス様のお話をストーリーを話しますよというので、まあ10歳でお分かりになりましたよね。です。
Like, share, and subscribe.